And so the stage is for Sister Kenny, please.
Thank you very much, Brother Novi. Brothers and sisters, I'm very happy to see you again. Let's hear about your experience. What was the experience? This is batch 2, right? Batch 2. How was your overall training? How did it go? What did you like most? Yeah, what was the best part of it? What were the difficulties, maybe challenges? Yep, let's discuss. Maybe very shortly. You don't have to retell everything that happened during the training, but very shortly, each of you, maybe you can share your experience. We would love to hear that, and how your parents accepted the knowledge that you transferred to them. Okay, maybe someone can start.
Okay, maybe there is some challenging, some obstacle in your session last and previous training. Please, you can tell to the Sister Kenny as a coach.
Yeah, maybe content-wise, yeah, was there any difficulties content-wise? Maybe training, like techniques or something that you couldn't, I mean, overall, if you didn't have any obstacles, then you did a great job. I mean, we don't have doubts, really, that you did we believe that you did very well. How your parents reacted to the training sessions, what part they liked most, you know, things like that. Maybe I can just throw the ball to one of you. Sister Diani, can you start, please?
Okay, Miss Kenny. And maybe I want to share a little bit about the experience when me and Mr. Nuno, I don't know, is Mr. Nuno already joined with us? Not yet, I think.
Is he still in Ujung Kulon?
Just went back yesterday.
Oh, okay.
Maybe a little bit tired, Mr. Nuno. Yeah, I think from our session in batch 2, the most challenging thing is when the parents ask a lot of questions. A lot of questions.
Yeah.
They ask a lot of questions about how to deliver the message. For example, like when they ask about I statement, they really want to know the most effective way to say it, for example, like that. And feedback from the parents, some of the parents said they are a little bit confused with the myth and the fact. The myth and the fact, that's the part that some of the parents not really like it, because they thought that, but I think that's fact, not the myth, for example, like that.
Yeah. But the questions were very confusing. Yeah, I mean, the statements were confusing. Yep, I totally understand that.
The parents, some of the parents also said that the most interested thing is about communication. The 3 things like active learning and then the I statement. They really like it to discuss, because they can practice it directly with the kids. And they also can they have a lot of knowledge or new information about active learning, and then they try to practice it also. We make some of the groups to practice it in front of us, and it's a really exciting thing for them.
Nice, very nice to hear that. So they liked the techniques, yeah, concrete techniques that they can, tools that they can use with the kids. It's nice. So did you have any homework between the first day and second day?
Yes, on the first day, I asked the parents to state the love and ask what the kids and the spouse maybe what things that they feel love. So they did it, and when they said that when they state it to the kids and ask it to the kids, they feel so warm in their heart. Feel something that's really lovable things.
Right. Very good, Sister Diana. Thank you so much. Is there anything that you would change in the training materials or add something? Any recommendations?
Maybe it's about the time. The time is really tight, so we cannot. The participants really want to explore more about the material, but the time is not enough. So I think, or some of the parents said that why not we separate it into 2 weeks maybe. For example, like 2 days only for the attachment and for about the brain thing, and then the next week is about communication. So they try to absorb it first, for example.
That's a very feasible, I mean, not feasible, but very good remark from the parents, because indeed, if you split it, the training into by week, first week, second week, it's easier for them to absorb the information, to practice. They will have enough time to practice it. I mean, in the future, I think we can take it into consideration. Yeah. Thank you so much, Sister Diana.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. Anyone else? Can you throw the ball to another participant, Sister Diana?
Okay, I will throw the ball to Miss Kinkin.
Thank you so much.
Terima kasih, Bu Diani.
Sama-sama, Bu.
Assalamualaikum, Sister Kaneki.
Waalaikumsalam, Sister Kiki.
I'm sorry, I have to speak bahasa, okay?
Okay, please go ahead.
Yeah, okay.
You translate in chat.
Sebenarnya kalau dari saya sendiri, karena mungkin Pak Rosman juga belum hadir ya, itu sudah diwakili oleh Bu Diani sebenarnya. Jadi orang tua itu kemarin sempat protes di Fakta dan Mitos, katanya, oh gitu sih, katanya gitu. Kan ini sebenarnya mitos, oh ini fakta. Jadi ada sesuatu yang, ada sebagian yang mereka tidak setuju dengan itu. Cuman ya kita berusaha memberi penjelasan yang kita dapatkan juga dari Sister Kaneki waktu itu, waktu pelatihan gitu kan ya. Jadi kalaupun mereka belum puas, nanti kita cari jawabannya sama-sama ya, kita gitu aja gitu kan. Terus udah gitu ada juga yang di post test dan pre-test itu juga mereka agak protes pada saat ada kalimat yang contohnya seperti ini, saya merasa tidak puas dengan anak saya, kan ada poin yang seperti itu deh Pak Novi kayaknya kalau nggak salah ya di pretest. Nah tapi kenapa pada saat itu kan kalimat negatif yang pas pada saat penilaian itu minus ya, jadi kalau kita menjawabnya tidak justru dapat 0, sementara kalau yang jawab ya dapat 1 gitu. Kenapa kok nilainya begitu gitu loh. Nah itu juga saya sama Pak Rosman juga menjawabnya ya itu sebenarnya tidak bisa diartikan seperti yang kita pikirkan gitu kan ya. Jadi terkadang kayak kalau kita tidak puas dengan anak kita itu ada hal lain yang tersirat di situ sebenarnya gitu. Jadi kita memberi penjelasan itu sepinter-pinternya kita deh Pak waktu kemarin itu supaya para orang tua itu oke, itu memang seperti itu. Jadi kita berusaha ya pinter-pinternya kita tanda kutip ngeles gitu ya Pak ya, karena ada sesuatu yang ya mungkin kita juga kurang memahami kayak gitu. Ya itu aja sih, karena memang orang tuanya relatif aktif ya, jadinya ya mereka ada sesuatu yang mereka nggak setuju, mereka mempertanyakan, seperti itu aja sih tambahannya. Thank you, Sister Kenaki.
Yeah, thank you, Sister Kiki. So it was about myth and reality. I am reading the translation. Thank you so much for your feedback. Yeah, that's totally true. Myth and reality. I think when. I think myth and reality can be developed by you as well, depending on the culture and your stereotypes and all your lifestyle, yeah, from your culture, I think. So I don't know, next time if you want to, next time if you wish to deliver these trainings, you can come up with the statements because you know already the materials, yeah, so you can come up with a myth and reality that will be closer to your culture, to your understanding. Yeah, but I understand with this. I mean, we made it this tricky, we made the sentences tricky and confusing so that it will make the participants think, you know, or discuss later. Yeah. All right. So, Sister Kiki, can you throw the ball to someone else?
Before
thank
that,
you,
Sister Kenaki, can I say something?
Yes,
about
please.
the myth and reality? Can I say that the myth and reality session is just one activity to bridging the participant into the next presentation, the next concept.
Yeah.
After that, yeah. So it's not about true and false in the session.
Yeah.
In the myth and fact, but it's just like provoke thinking to parents, to audience, to ready in come into the new concept after this.
Right. Exactly. Yeah, exactly. That's the point. Thank you for adding this note.
Yeah.
That's true. That's this myth and reality. It's the way to prepare your participants psychologically about the topic that you will be covering, yeah, during the training day. And yeah, thank you so much for reminding that, Brother Novi.
Okay.
Thank
you. Throw the ball, please.
Throw the ball, please.
Oke. Assalamualaikum Bu Novi. Itu Bu Novi ya?
Iya, waalaikumsalam.
Oke, silakan. Soalnya yang kelihatan wajahnya hanya kita baru saja. Oh ya, silakan Bu Novi. Menyambut bola dari saya.
Iya, Masya Allah. Terima kasih begini.
Are we online?
Ya, boleh diulang dulu nggak ini apa topik ini Pak Novi, saya lagi.
What is your experience? About last previous training.
Our experience, my experience.
Yeah.
Ya, oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, Sister Kaneki, Pak Novi, and sister, brother and sister. Maybe I will tell about our experience in transfer of parent school, in parent school. Honestly, both of us finally feel very happy and thanks to Allah and Sister Kaneki, because after finish the training, the participants said that they were satisfied, yeah. And they got the new experience, new knowledge, new many things, and they use our concept in their real life. And after that, and we met we met apa tuh Pak Novi? menyesuaikan apa sih? Coba apa tuh Bu Diani? Maksudnya saya itu we met modified for
many season ya, many topic. So maksudnya gini, saya itu gini beda nih, please translate to Sister yes please. Maksudnya gini, saya itu nggak transfer semua karena terkait dengan pemahaman yang memang dari orang tua ini yang memang dalam tanda kutip itu low academic ya. Jadi saya hanya memilih beberapa topik yang dianggap penting, for example attachment, negative behavior, about otak tuh sedikit tentang otak, kemudian yang lain-lain itu kayak active listening. Nah, kita ambil part-part yang memang penting dan kita buang part-part yang mungkin kayaknya seperti aksesoris gitu. Boleh Pak Novi atau Miss Diani? Thank you. Gitu.
Thank you so much, sister.
Yeah.
Okay, I translate with typing in chat.
All right, so let me look at this. All right, thank you so much. It was nice to hear your feedback. Could you please throw the ball to another participant?
I don't know who. Oh, Mr. Ratna, Sister Ratna, ever? Sister Ratna or
Bu Ratna? Ya, ada Bu Ratna.
Bu Ratna, ya oke.
Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good evening, Sister Kanaki.
Good evening.
Okay.
Yeah,
How are you,
please.
Okay.
How are you today? You said I'm alhamdulillah very good. Thank you so much.
Okay. Okay. For me and Miss Apong, our challenging is about the participants. Yeah, because we just have only 7 parents.
7 participants, Masya Allah.
Yeah, 7
Yeah,
parents.
mashallah.
But not make us, what is it? Lazy or something, but we still give them the best that we can do. All the materials, we give all the materials to them. Almost all the material, is it right, Miss Epong? Hampir semua materi kita sudah berikan ya, Bu Epong ya?
Ya betul, Bu Ratna.
Ya. Yeah, we just face the what is it? Our big obstacles is about the parents, the participant of the parents, because not all of the parents join to the training. I don't know. Maybe this is about the communication between school and the parents or something. What is it? All the parents what is it? The parents, most of the parents giving the best. What is it? The best. The participate to our training is very good. They give, what is it? They do all the things that they have to do when something. We have a play and anything, even about the
Suaranya hilang-hilangan, Bu Ratna.
The reality and the fact that why we give this reality and the fact, because the parents will find out why this is reality and this is the fact. You will find it when we deliver the material. So they understand about that, and yeah, they follow the training very well.
Nice. So it's good that you had a very good number of participants. I might call it like VIP training group, yeah, because we had individual approach to everyone, I guess.
Yeah.
Good job. Thank you so much. So can you throw the ball to another participant, Sister Ratna?
Okay. So I will give the ball to Mr. Rosman.
Rosman.
Yeah.
Please.
Yeah, just remind, yeah, we're talking about your experience of the training you've delivered to your parents. What were the obstacles, how you dealt with them, what are your overall feelings and experience of delivering this training, yeah? So, Brother Rosman, anything to share from your side?
Actually, Brother Osman said in WhatsApp group that he has bad internet connection, I think.
All right. Okay, then who is left?
Okay. Maybe we can throw the ball to the others.
Yeah.
Sir Epong, actually, the one.
Kita kayak Indonesia saja kali ya Pak Novi ya.
Yuk.
Ya, kalau di saya sendiri sih emang kendalanya mungkin tadi benar gitu komunikasi antara sekolah dengan peserta dan benar-benar ditinggalin juga sih sama sekolahnya gitu loh Pak Novi, karena kan kita nggak tahu ya. Jadinya dari sekolah nggak ada komunikasi lagi pas di dalam grup gitu, walaupun udah dibikinin grupnya tapi kita tinggalin sendiri gitu sama orang tua. Itu yang menjadi masalah pertama. Yang kedua, emang kan slide itu benar-benar ini ya, terjemahannya kalau saya sendiri ada part yang saya nggak ngerti isi dari PPT-nya gitu, kurang to the point gitu intinya Pak Novi kalau buat saya gitu ya. Nah jadi karena kurang to the point itu akhirnya kita sebagai pemateri itu benar-benar harus menerjemahkan banget nih gitu, menerjemahkan dan mencari studi kasus yang memang relate dengan masyarakat Indonesia gitu, dan dibuat seringan mungkin gitu untuk studi kasusnya, karena kalau dari studi kasus yang di PPT sendiri itu mungkin masih terlalu jauh gitu, karena usianya kan itu untuk 17 tahun ya, sedangkan mereka itu kan anak SMP. Nah jadi mencari studi kasus yang memang benar-benar relate dengan kondisi orang tua yang punya anak di sekolah tersebut gitu. Nah ya masalah-masalah anak SMP gitu, biar orang tua oh ya ternyata benar ya kayak gini, oh ternyata benar kayak gini gitu. Jadinya masalah-masalah itu yang akhirnya jadi kita bahas gitu. Kita lebih banyak sharing sebenarnya Pak Novi ketika menyampaikan materi, karena kalau misalnya benar-benar materi mungkin seperti yang saya share ke batch 3 kemarin, ya rata-rata kan bukan praktisi ya, yang memang mereka kan butuhnya itu adalah implikasi ya, teori dan implikasikan prakteknya seperti apa kan. Jadi akan lebih relate kalau itu bentuknya studi kasus gitu dibandingkan lebih banyak teorinya. Makanya tadi kenapa disampaikan kita kalau materi sih disampaikan secara keseluruhan, karena memang kita menerjemahkannya sebisa mungkin adalah sesuai dengan usia anak-anaknya ibu-ibu gitu, karena memang cuma sedikit ya Pak Novi, jadi kita enak waktu awal-awal perkenalan gitu. Oh ternyata misalnya Bu Selvia punya anak yang udah kuliah, oh ternyata ada anak yang seusia gini, jadi kita lebih gampang memetakan gitu loh Pak Novi ketika kita mau ngasih studi kasus kayak gitu. Jadi kayak penting juga ketika nanti kita mau ada pelatihan seperti ini lagi, kita juga bisa memetakan si orang tua ini sebenarnya punya anak usia berapa aja. Itu yang akhirnya nanti kita akan angkat permasalahannya kayak gitu. Dan kalau misalnya untuk online sendiri, memang yang lebih enak itu kita lebih ke sharing gitu ya ke orang tua ya. dari tadi saya sadar, kita sharing, kita tukar pikiran, dan karena memang saya sendiri juga jadi orang tua baru gitu ya, saya selalu minta insight lain gitu, insight lain baik dari Bu Ratna atau misalnya dari ibu-ibu berpengalaman, karena sebenarnya pengalaman itu lebih penting ya, lebih penting itu mereka jadi lebih tahu, tinggal nanti kita korelasikan dengan si konsep teorinya seperti itu. Terus emang kemarin pun juga yang jadi gamang itu adalah tentang e-statement, karena kan poin di e-statement itu kan orang tua menyampaikan perasaan mereka ya, misalnya entah kecewaan, entah apa, terus apa sih permasalahan yang di anak gitu kan yang mungkin orang tua kurang sukain. Nah kalau di pernyataan kedua di kasus pertama itu kan orang tua langsung to the point ya, tapi tentang perasaannya sendiri gitu kan. Nah itu ada orang tua yang memang memperdebatkan itu juga gitu. Cuman kita bandingkan dengan kasus-kasus yang di selanjutnya tuh pada statement tuh mau pilih yang mana gitu. A, B, C gitu kan yang pertama, terus yang kedua A, B, C, yang tiga A, B, C gitu, mana yang dipilih kan. Nah dari yang dipilih itu kita bandingkan sebenarnya statement. Jadi mereka baru paham ketika ada perbandingannya gitu. Ada perbandingannya. Paling lebih ke situ sih Pak Novi. Terima kasih.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, Sister Apong. I've read all the translation. Thank you, Brother Novi, for translating.
Hopefully it's match with the
Yeah, I got the ideas. Yeah, the main ideas. Thank you so much. All right, it was nice to hear about your experience and feedback. Do we have anyone else to share, or we're done?
Sister Kaneki, actually, I want to say that Sister Epong and Sister Ratna is the only one in batch 2 who deliver the training online.
Oh, that's what I wanted to ask. How was it? How was the online training?
Although the participant only how much? 7. Yes, Sister Epong. 7, and in the next day maybe 6, yeah. But I have to say that Sister Epong and Sister Ratna very good at conduct onlinely.
Yeah, I think you're only one group that delivered online training. Yeah, good job. It's very hard, but you overcame this. Very good job. And I think the things that you're asked about their insights after each presentation, that's a very good thing that you used for online training, to make the parents engaged in your interaction between you and participants. Very good job.
Sister Kaneki, I have a question. The parents in Muhammadiyah school feel difficult to make the plan that you in the last session, that they must make a plan about nurturing ya, yang tugas itu Pak Nafi.
Yep.
Nah,
about the activities
after activities parents plan, because mereka itu gimana Pak Nafi, mereka itu kan low banget gitu ya. Jadi mereka jadi mereka low banget.
The condition is the parent in Muhammadiyah school is average low academic ya. The education background is
jadi
not too high.
Bawah banget. Jadi gini Pak Novi, ketika diberikan itu tugas itu ya, mereka tuh agak sulit untuk menuliskan gitu. Misalnya gini, ada sih tulisannya gitu. Misalnya apa ya? Jadi mereka tuh memang mengambil misalnya gini, materi yang diberikan itu misalnya tentang attachment, kemudian behavior. Mereka itu maunya praktek gitu Pak Novi. Jadi mereka agak sulit untuk menuliskan plannya mereka gitu loh, mau apa gitu. Jadi mereka nggak kepikiran sampai jauh gitu loh. Jadi contohnya kan kayak kemarin mungkin The Crown, pas the game The Crown kan sebenarnya itu paling menarik kalau di sesi kita ya. Nah itu saya tuh gagal di sesi itu gitu karena mereka nggak paham.
Oh.
Ya, jadi mereka nggak paham. Jadi gini, ketika dipanggil ke depan, kita jelaskan nih, jadi bunda seperti ini, seperti ini, seperti ini. Tapi mereka tuh malah nggak ngerti. Jadi mereka itu masuknya justru misalnya ketika diskusi, misalnya assessment apa sih contohnya apa? Kita berikan contoh real, ditanya pengalaman mereka, oh begini, nah seperti itu. Praktek ditanya lagi, diskusi, kemudian dibenarkan seperti itu yang masuk. Tapi ketika justru gini, ketika materi itu Pak Nafi apa namanya itu? Yang otak, kita kan mencoba karena kita pikir mereka low gitu. Jadi kita dengan Bu Tati merancang itu kayak bikin gini, kayak permainan gitu Pak Nafi, misalnya berenam nanti nyambung. Itu aja nggak bisa gitu. Jadi kita sampai wah, begini banget ya. Jadi akhirnya kita memang menurunkan waktunya dipanjangin, diskusinya dipanjangin, ditanya satu-satu, mereka pahamnya sampai di mana, kemudian dijelaskan satu persatu. Jadi ketika membuat aktivitas yang terakhir itu semuanya pada nyontek gitu ya, kamu apa gitu loh. Jadi kemungkinan mungkin kalau ditanya berapa aktivitas itu mungkin cuma ketemu 3-4 aktivitas untuk 24 partisipan gitu Pak Nafi.
Okay, Sister Kanike, Sister Novi said that because of situation and condition, the participants it's not usual to learn engage because it could be related to the low academic for the parents. So it's very difficult to conduct some activities like crown games. In our experience, very
interesting. Yeah, wow, antusias.
Interesting, yeah. But for them, they don't understand what to do. They didn't
because they cannot read.
Bukan. Jadi karena misalkan understanding-nya tuh rendah banget gitu. About their understanding.
Just to understand instructions,
Yeah, the instruction. That's all. Me and Sister Tati, misalnya gini, misalnya orang dapat ini, Ibu itu lihat tulisan kepalanya apa, Ibu lakukan seperti itu, ayo Bu abaikan. Nah, jadi kita kayak gitu loh. Jadi sampai kita, nah, jadi kenapa jadi mainnya ini nggak menarik gitu ya? Jadi mereka nggak ngerti ini kalau ada seperti ini dijelasin kan, misalkan kalau jadi baca perlakuan orang ini seperti yang tulisan di sini, itu mereka nggak ngerti abaikan itu gimana. Ibu pura-pura ngomong ajak nih kondisinya. Jadi sangat berbeda ketika kondisi the crowd waktu kita training dengan saya training itu. Jadi bagi orang tua tuh nggak menarik banget, mereka nggak ngerti ini apa sih maksudnya gitu loh. Walaupun selesai games pun ditanya nggak paham itu apa maksudnya. Jadi karena memang gini orang tuanya itu memang secara pendidikan memang rata-rata tamat SMP Pak Novi. Tamat SMP, kemudian SMA nggak berapa orang, kemudian kerjanya rata-rata ibu rumah tangga, kalau nggak jual pedagang-pedagang kecil kayak gitu. Jadi memang orang-orang yang yang memang mungkin pertama kali bagi mereka mengenal parenting ini gitu.
Oke. It's difficult.
Yeah, that's.
Challenging.
That's why it's very important to know the target, the audience that we are delivering. Yeah, if we have this kind of audience of parents, then of course we need to hello.
Yeah.
Yes.
We need to adjust it. I'm sorry, someone just called me. That's why I thought that I could lost you. Yep, thank you so much.
Jadi itu gimana? Jadi about the tugasnya itu gimana Pak Nafi? Jadinya, maybe we just find for plan for 24 parents. We after we are screening the answer, we just find for plan because.
Yes, Kanike. Is that okay about the activity plan, parent plan? From 24 participants,
only 4.
Only 4.
Only 4 plan. Yeah.
I did it.
Yeah.
We got it.
It's a result too. Yeah. It's a good result as well from this audience. So, it's not bad. It's good. I mean, we should be.
Gak apa-apa Bu Novi berarti.
Ya, berarti saya nanti kalau ketika bikin itu misalnya ini sama, nggak apa-apa ya, berarti mungkin walaupun sama-sama semua gitu ya, karena mereka nanya. Dan ini satu lagi pernah saya ingat yang apa tuh namanya pretest itu saya sangat memodif banget. Jadi saya jelaskan satu-satu untuk menghitung scoringnya, saya pandu bersama-sama sehingga waktu saya tuh panjang banget di situ karena mereka nggak paham.
Yep.
Ya itu ya.
It's related to regarding the
pretest
pre and post test.
Yeah,
I can't imagine that they could understand this.
Yeah.
I can't imagine. Sometimes sometimes then you can skip it and justify it with this. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Brother Novi.
Yeah.
What did you want to say?
No. It's okay.
All right. So, yesterday, and I think from your group as well, there was a question: what would we do if our participants know psychology better than us, and we're worried about it, right? So this is the other case. This is the other case when your audience is not very on the level that you want to deliver the training. So we have this thing, peer learning. When peers learn from other peers better than someone teaches them, right? So I think we can apply this kind of method to your similar audience. If you said that only 4 participants out of 24 did their plan, then it means that at least 4 participants understand you, what you deliver, right? So you can collaborate with these 4 participants and like explain the instructions, and then they can deliver it in their language or in their, how can I say, understanding the instructions. Or but that's a very good case, I think, that you've told us. It means that we need to adjust our program as well.
No,
to our audience.
Sister Kaneki, the participants understand what we say, and some of participants cried when we delivered about the attachment, about the emotion jack. But to understand, misalnya like tugas apa sih tugas?
Assignment.
A task about the task, they cannot do it, but apply after the day 1 when we ask in the 2 we ask about what did you do after you got the material in day 1. They can ask, they can tell us some improvement in their nurturing they tell us. But if we ask them to, think your plan. What's your plan? Now, they cannot write. They cannot write their plan. They just tell directly to us. For example, I will change myself. I will not to angry with my children. I will not compare my children. So like that, Mr. Kaneki.
I see. Anyway, there is impact, right?
Alhamdulillah. Mereka bikin grup sendiri, Pak Novi, minta bikin grup, terus saya dimasukin ke situ sama Bu Tati. Karena mereka merasa senang banget gitu ya. Cuma ya begitulah.
Yeah. The participants make a new group, a little group, and invite Sister Novi and Sister Tati to join that group. Because they impressed with the training.
And I got some present from the parents, Pak Novi. Honestly.
Very good.
They liked you, huh? All right, thank you so much, sister. Should we proceed to other group, or we are done with all of you? I lost the count.
Yeah. Ada lagi nggak satu mungkin yang terakhir? If there any last statement or expression, because we have in the last session from MNC. Ada lagi? Mungkin ini udah waktu-waktu akhir yang ingin disampaikan, mungkin perlu disampaikan kepada Sister Kanike sebagai pengelola program ini ya. Nggak ada? Oke, good. If there is no feedback, no question, no statement, no reflection, no insight anymore already expressed by you tonight. So we have one more MNC ya, Sister Kanike, MNC number maybe for all the trainers ya. After the batch 3 already finished, we will join in Zoom meeting, team meeting. We set team meeting and maybe in next week, insyaallah.
Yeah.
So,
okay. Maybe I can also invite other trainers so that they will just communicate with you on the final meeting. Yeah, Brother Nurbek and Sister Monara, who developed this training materials together with me, so that they can also communicate with you on the final one. Yeah. All right. It was very nice to see you and talk to you, brothers and sisters. Have a good evening.
Oke, teman-teman bisa leave ya, karena habis ini kelas berikutnya.
Oke,
berarti live sendiri ya Pak ya.
We will MNC for the batch 3. Thank you, Fatima.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss.
Thank you, Sister Kanike. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
So you